Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the video. So anyway, just on a chip, we're gonna make a beat. I already made the beat, but then I was like, I need to make a video for this, so then I'm just gonna show you what I did, how I made it, all that good stuff. So yeah, let's get into it. So anyway, started off with these drums. This is just a drum kit, like a live drum kit. Got all those sounds. So then yeah, just made this like bouncy sort of, not boom bap, but you know, that sort of vibe. I'll just play it for you and you can do all the talking. So yeah, that's saucy, that was vibey already. I was like, damn, I wasn't originally gonna make a beat out of it, I was just gonna leave it like that and yeah, just have a drum loop. But then I was like, oh, let me just make a melody real quick, and yeah, I made this. So I'll play it for you, then I'll explain it. Alright, let's go. So yeah, it looks kind of complicated, but it's really not. It's really simple. So I started off with, I started off with this. Let me see. Yeah, it's not even that. Started off with this. Okay, so that's the melody, and the bottom is just chords. So yeah, this. These are just the root notes right here, so they're basically the chords, but just the bottom note, and yeah, and that's the melody right here. So, and up here. So yeah, and then the chords right here. I did a lot of bounce by just putting it on the last beat. That's just, yeah, so like, yeah, it just adds emotion as well, because yeah, just, it's good. This is good. But yeah, then what you do, gotta stack the layers, because that was sounding kind of thin, you know what I mean. I did actually put a reverb on that. If you go here, reverb, just the venue preset in Fruity Reverb 2. I like that preset, it's pretty good. But yeah, that's that. But then I got this pad, I think it is. Anyway, I got this pad and it sounds like this. That's the pad, but yeah, that's just copied and pasted the MIDI from the piano, but I did add these effects, so reverb, venue preset with a little bit of stereo separation around there, and also this free delay to a free. Yeah, I like this delay because you can add like more unique sounds with like the feedback and modulation and all that. So yeah, that's pretty cool. But I turned that down to like a quarter, so it wouldn't fully affect it with like a background noise almost. But yeah, that dry, it sounds like this. And then it's like a subtle difference, but it definitely made a difference. And also I wrote both the melodies to this one track right here, and then added a low cut, or I'm confused, whatever. It got rid of the bass, the low end, and then added this isotope vinyl, added the warp to like 40%, something like that, and then 1960, and I just left it. But yeah, so that's the melody and the drums. Oh yeah, I also added this drum fill. Sounds like this. So that just transitions between to the drop. So yeah, I added this 808. Just following the root notes of the chords. Sounds like this. My bad. Nothing special, but I just pitched up these 3 notes because they were sounding a bit muddy down here. Alright, so after the 808, I added these transition effects as well. I'll just play it. This is a reverse cymbal, and I would reverse cymbal, and a wood knock. Yep. Alright, cool, and then boom, I bounced out these drums and stretched it to 8 bars, because it was 4 bars originally, but then I made it 8 bars, so then it's more, it just stretched it out, and it sounds like this. Way slower, but yeah. And then I pitched it down a couple semitones, I think like 5. Yeah, because it was too high, so then I just pitched it down. And that's basically the beat. Yeah, I don't really do anything else. Just on the master, got limiter, EQ, soft clipper. That's it. Edison. I think that was just that's just drum loop. And just leveled everything down. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, turn notifications on, so then you know when I upload straight away. Also follow my Instagram @1chip_, and follow my Twitch to watch me make beats live. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.